Hello Tim, thanks for joining us today. We've discussed earlier about alternative sources of financing in the market. Would you like just to tell us what kind of alternative sources of financing do you have available to corporates in Europe?
Yeah, of course. There are a few alternatives to the financing of corporates compared to the traditional bank financing, which is, I think, very prevalent for Dutch corporates. The most straightforward, from my perspective, is the bond market. There's the loan market in different formats, the leverage loan market, but also the private placement market, which is, well, there have been initiatives to try to develop that one as in the US, and those are the most important alternative sources we have discussed.
So on the private placement note side, there have been a lot of advocates during the discussion that we've had of the development of the European, pan-European the private placement note market. As a buy-sider, do you think this is a feasible opportunity? Also, would you like to see more of in terms of alternative sources of financing?
I think it's an alternative. From APG's perspective, it's not the most preferred alternative. I think, especially for Dutch corporates, the underrepresentation of Dutch, especially mid-cap companies in the European bond markets, I think is a missed chance. I think in diversifying their funding away from banks, they certainly should consider the bond market. Of course, the private placement market is another alternative. The only thing I would say there is that because of the illiquid nature of the instrument, we as an institutional investor ask for an illiquidity premium, and therefore it might be more difficult to meet with corporates who in general are maybe a bit spoiled by the banking environment in Holland.